Hi guys, welcome back to Resolution. Well, I've finally done it. I've upgraded my helmet camera. Now, when I first started off my YouTube channel, I was using cheap, well, I say cheap budget cameras. They are in the grand scheme of things, but I was looking at cameras from Amazon that were saying they're 4K cameras. Absolutely crystal clear footage for an unbeatable price of like £150. And I'll give them credit, they were all right. They're okay if you're doing like home cinema stuff, but if you're actually looking at filming for YouTube, they're horrific. So then I moved on to the GoPro Hero 4. Pretty good camera, to be honest. For the age of the camera, you really can't fault it too much. Well, there's two big gripes. The first gripe with that camera was the fact that it had no image stabilization. The quality of the footage was cancel. The quality of the footage was absolutely fantastic. I mean, it was good high definition. Always filmed in 4K on it. Whether or not you could argue it's proper 4K that you get now on these cameras, who knows. But yeah, really good camera. I like the fact as well you could literally just plug the microphone straight into it and you didn't need to buy any expensive audio interfaces. That made life a lot easier. But after a while I noticed some of your comments basically saying, upgrade to something with image stabilization, get a better camera, and I totally agree with you guys. It was difficult watching back some of the footage and it was shaky and horrible. However, cameras are expensive. So I also used the Insta 360 1X. That was always mounted somewhere on the front of my motorcycle. Always had it somewhere on the front, and it captured an amazing wide angle lens. It was flawless, absolutely flawless. However, yeah, there was a hairline crack in the thread where you install your mount underneath the camera. It got bigger and bigger and bigger until the point the other day I took out the Honda Hornet. Cracking bike. I genuinely like the Honda Hornet, and it fell off. Yep, the actual mount was about here and it just gave up. I was slowing down for a junction. Next thing I know was it cancel. Honestly, this bloody intercom, it just flying backwards, broke the bottom of it, and also I'm just going to put the windscreen up a little bit. Destroyed the lenses, absolutely destroyed them. I love this bike. So yeah, that camera was no more. However, luckily I ordered the GoPro Hero 9 on Amazon, and this wasn't a prime deal because it's pretty much the same price everywhere now. It was £249. So yeah, I ordered the GoPro Hero 9, £249, and honestly I absolutely love it. The footage is crystal clear. The audio, again, I've had no audio issues. Well, no, tell a lie, I've had the odd pop and crack that people say they have on the GoPros. I looked at Teapot One's little fix for it, changed the wind setting. However, it doesn't seem to have made much difference on this camera. For me anyway, it still gets a bit of a crackle and a pop. Now look at this. I'm just going to go back to one of my videos about not sitting in the left-hand lane, lane 1. Look at that. Arctic, lane 2. 2 cars, lane 3. And this one, lane 3. Nothing in lane 1, nothing in lane 2. Yep, lane 1 is closing. Lane 1 is closing in 800 yards. Granted, move over from any time now. But look at that. Just sitting out there in lane 3. Well, this is meant to be a video about the GoPro Hero 9. It's actually turned into a rant about people who cannot drive 400 yards. I'm going to move over now. I really hope it doesn't rain. Back up to national speed limit. I love this bike, it is awesome. Yeah, so the GoPro Hero 9, £249. That was a spot of rain. Oh, come on, come on. This is meant to be summertime. Summertime, well, I've got about 15-ish minutes. Get about 10-15 minutes to get myself to work, so hopefully the weather will hold off until then. There you go, look. Lane 1 completely empty, lane 2 completely empty, lane 3, oh, the one that's been sitting there the longest is moving over. Nice overlanding style vehicle there. Anyway, yeah, 249, I'll get there eventually, well, 249. I bought 6 spare batteries for the Hero 9 on Amazon Prime days. They went down to like £23 for a set of 3 batteries in a pretty cool, robust little case. I need to actually send 3 batteries back because one of them doesn't work. Hopefully the lens is still nice and clear for you guys. Yeah, so the GoPro Hero 9 is my upgrade and camera of choice. I did try and stick with the DJI Osmo Action 1. The only issue with that one is it really does not like having anything plugged in for audio. I've got the audio adapter. I plug a lavalier in, stick it in the headset, on the microphone, on the helmet, and the audio is inaudible.
Turbo one, supercharger one. I want one. But for me to be sure, last time I done quoting it was like £8,000 a year.
It's just ridiculous. I've basically lost 3 or 4 test rides at Adventure Bike Rider Festival because of that camera. The footage is unbelievable, honestly. Like, you can't knock the footage, it's cracking, but the audio is just not there. So I am going to be looking at hopefully buying a decent audio editor, and then that might allow me to play with the levels, get some AI assistance to adjust it. But until then, that footage will pretty much never see the light of day, all because the Osmo Action 1, it just can't handle external microphones for some bizarre reason. Yeah, if you put the external microphone on and don't stick it in your helmet, it seems absolutely fine. I mean, the Shui Neotech 2, which is the Shui GT Air 2 is what I'm using, and it is a very well insulated helmet. It's cracking, but that then means you end up with quite a lot of muffled audio, so that may contribute to it. No, well, it does. Well, it definitely does contribute to it, but it may not be the full issue because a lot of other YouTubers have also done videos on that not working. So yeah, you can rectify it on the DJI Osmo Action 3 with a Rode audio interface adapter, which does apparently work, but the DJI Osmo Action 1, it just doesn't work with it. Just ain't gonna, it's not happening. So right guys, it's absolutely peeing it down right now. I'm going to sign off now because, well, you probably can't see anything at all with the rain hitting the camera. So guys, thank you for watching this video on my brand new purchase for my YouTube channel, hopefully to give you clearer footage and decent audio once again. Until next time, stay safe, ride well, and I'll see you soon.